dude is on my level right now. So what I'm gonna do is fly my drone over there, okay? From my house, and I've made him a note. And we're just gonna attach it to this rope. I've put a little weight on there so it doesn't swing because it's a little windy out there today. I kind of want to keep the swinging factor down. So I put a small wrench on there, enough to weigh this down. Hooked it to my Autel, and I put song request. We're gonna attach it to that clip on the end. I told him I want to play band, Blue Swede song, Hooked on a Feeling. Let's fly this over there and see if we can get him to acknowledge my playlist. Now you can see he's in the backyard right now. He's just chilling. He's got his sprinklers on. He's jamming, right? He has no idea I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna wait until he turns his sprinkler off because I don't want to get my drone all wet. When he shuts his sprinkler off, that's when I'm gonna go land it. So I'm gonna fly over the top of my house and we're gonna kind of buzz down on the trees and see if we can get him to take my song request. So let me pay attention. The moment these sprinklers go off, we'll see if he'll answer my neighborhood song request via drone. Hey, if you're gonna use a drone for some fun, you may as well have some fun, right? Let's have some fun. Like I said, this could go really bad or really good. I have no idea, and I have no expectations, so let's just have some fun. Alright, I'm recording. Says I have plenty of satellites. Let's take off. That looks good to me, no? You can see the note swinging around there. Oh, that was my concern, is that it was going to wrap it up a little bit. Seems to be doing alright now. It's holding pretty steady. Getting all sorts of warnings because I'm too close to the truck. I see it spinning. Let's see what it does. Let's just see what happens here, right? You can see the note blowing around pretty good, but we'll see. Let's see what it does here.
Hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, hookah chaka, hookah, hookah. I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me in your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright. I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Lips as sweet as candy, its taste is on my mind. Girl, you got me thirsty for another cup of wine. Got a bug from you, girl, but I don't need no cure. I just stay a victim if I can for sure. All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I'm hooked on a feeling, and I'm high
He took the note. That was great. Look, look, look. He took the note. Now let's go see if he plays it. Let's go see if he plays the song for me. Let's go see if he plays it. Okay, I'm going outside. Oh man, where's my song? Oh no! There it is! Yes! Me! Yeah! He just held up the note. Win for the drone team.